Disclaimer.
Bro, there's no way we really finna be fighting Birmingham City, bro. What is this game, bro? Oh no, but I'm hyped for it though. I ain't gonna lie. It might be a mini season, but I'm pretty sure this thing gonna be nice. Yeah, bro, this season about Nick family, boy. Oh my god, this finna go crazy. Bro, we finna be shooting guns as Nick family members, but that shit finna be crazy. Alright, yeah. Bro, this map. We can go to Walmart. We can go to houses. We can go to the Vulcan Park. We can go to the goddamn city itself. What is this map? I don't know, but hey, let's begin. I bet, let's go. Yeah. I'm somebody's grandma whooping ass. What is this? What's up, my first challenger? I'm here. Is that a bag of ice? Oh boy, that deal. What the? Oh wow! I just made you slip in a gun game. The white boy. What? Oh wow! What is that? Bro, is that a baby kid? What the? Hey, you killed my character brother. Now for the woman. Oh, come here. What is that, Nick? That scared me. Couldn't get the battle pass, but I got this kid. But I got the battle pass. Cereal. What the? Whoa! No player 2. I got some more. Straw basketball ball. Look, I found a Stanley Cup. Yo, a new boat just spawned in my face. Yo, I just killed the new boss and I got a key card. Oh, man, I think that's the key card to the new shop. Let's go.
Man, I'll be tripping. I'm close to go spaz and crash. Gotta be first, I'm not used to the lag. I grab me a bit, put it straight to your.
Welcome to Flat Tire Shop.
What the heck? Is this gravy? Oh, I'm about to use it. Bro, I'm about to use this bag of ice, boy. What, bro, what is this? And this Stanley Cup and Kenyatta shotgun? Boy, I'm about to go crazy. That just came out your mouth. You know what? Hey, all right, y'all, in game. Time to handle some business, girl. Yeah. Woo. This boy got my character auntie gun. Use gravy. I got this. No, you don't, because I got this Stanley Cup. Oh, yo, we did it. Okay. Oh my God, Birmingham City. Let me hush. Hey, let's play another game, bro. Because player 2 did not get no chance. Oh my God. Oh, ew, it's a rat. What the fuck? Sorry, you gotta go, big sister. What the? Is that another ball? Hey! Gotcha, bitch! Ah!